For us to achieve a complete protection against viruses, diseases, and free radicals, we should need this kind of key ingredients like purple corn na mataas sa anthocyanin, turmeric na mataas sa anti-inflammatory properties, barley na rich in dietary fiber at minerals, at moringa na mayaman sa phytonutrients. So, ang ginawa ni Infinite ay nag-innovate para mabilis, madali na makonsume yung mga superfood na ito. So, ginawa niyang capsule. Ito ang anthocyanin Complete Protection Capsule na may ingredients na purple corn, turmeric, barley, at moringa. Benefits: fight obesity, inflammation, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, arthritis, digestive disorders, respiratory infections, allergies, cyst, tumor, goiter, prostate disorder, myoma, hormonal imbalance, dengue, lupus, ulcer, depression, and many others. Di ba? Grabe. So, napakalupit po ng anthocyanin complete protection po natin. So, next, nag-innovate din si Infinite Global ng Berry Boost Juice na mabisang pang-cleansing at pan-detox sa ating digestive system. Mahalaga po talaga na meron tayong healthy na digestive system kasi ito yung dadala ng sustansya sa ating katawan. Kapag marumi ang digestive system natin, it lead us to experience like constipation, yung mahirapan kang magdumi, migraine, sinusitis, asthma, rheuma, arthritis, body odor, bad breath, yung tagyawat na di gumagaling, yung ibang uri na sakit sa balat. Kasama na diyang heart disease, TB, gallstone, kidney stone, diabetes, high blood pressure, tumor, cyst, cancer, at sari-saring infection. Kaya ho, ugaliing uminom ng Berry Boost araw-araw para sa pag-cleansing at pag-detox sa mga madumi o mga dumi sa ating gastrointestinal tract. Okay? Upang tayo ho'y makaiwas sa mga sakit na dulot ng maruming bituka. Okay? And then, next product is the Man-Up Extreme Coffee. So, this herbal coffee has its 3 active ingredients, which is the horny goatweed, black maca root, at ginseng. Ang kanyang coffee ho is aroma lang, and then this Man-Up coffee is there's no sugar, pero matamis po siya because of the stevia leaf, plant-based natural sweetener. So, ang napakaganda po nitong Man-Up coffee natin, it helps improve physical stamina, concentration, and memory. Also helps improve libido. That help treat erectile dysfunction, and it can rev up the sex drive of men and women. Nakakapag-boost din siya ng sperm count, improves erection, and ease menopausal symptoms. So, napakaganda ho ng coffee natin. Okay? So, you need to try this coffee. Alright? Sa mga coffee lover dyan. So, last, before I end this video presentation, I give you some health tips para po tayo mas maging healthy at gumaling. Follow this Dr. Shape C. Okay? And then, take note, may mga tao na di pwedeng sumobra ng 1 litro na tubig sa isang araw. Ito yung may sakit na rheumatic heart disease, chronic kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, ascites, and pleural infusion. Pero pag wala kang sakit gaya na nabanggit ko, you are required to take 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So, thank you and see you in the next video.